Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and sell on HankoTrade. And first of all, you need to create an account on HankoTrade, otherwise it's not possible. So you need to create a trading account with clicking here on create live account, or click on demo and then click right here to create a demo account. And then once you did that, they sent a trading ID and a password to your email address, and you need to use them because right now we click on trading terminals. Select right here Hanko X Live, and then you need to log in right here on the screen with the trading ID and the password or your account ID. I immediately did that because a few seconds ago I already logged into that. But right now we have here the Ethereum chart. Right now here you can find here the price level. So this is the price level right now, and this is the quantity. So let's change the quantity to maybe 5 lots. We want to buy this, so now we can click here on place by order, and then we create a position. Now we can also click on advanced options to make a stop loss, a trailing stop loss, or take profit. And then after that you can click again on place order, and then you create a nice stop loss as an example. You can also do this for sell, because if you now go to sell, you can immediately sell it right here by clicking on place sell order. And for this is exactly the same. You can create a stop loss by clicking on this, and then select exactly what you want to do, a trailing stop loss or a take profit. And then after that, you click also on place sell order, and then you create a nice sell order. So this is how you can buy and sell on HankoTrade. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.